Guys, welcome back to my channel Flower Feed, and this is Dr. Pooja. Today I'll discuss about back pain, and also I'll teach you some basic stretching exercises which we can perform at home for our back pain management, and home remedies for the back pain management and care. Well, let me tell you that our back consists of 33 interlocking bones which make and cover our spinal cord. It is the basic structure which provides support and posture to our body. It also helps in weight bearing of the body. Okay, and there are so many associated muscles जो कि हमारे बॉडी को वेट बेयरिंग में हेल्प करते हैं एंड हमारे इंटरनली ऑर्गन्स को सपोर्ट करते हैं फॉर बेटर फंक्शनिंग. एंड ऑल्सो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ नर्व्स एसोसिएटेड इन आवर वर्टिब्रा विच समटाइम्स मे बी द कॉजेस ऑफ बैक पेन. सो लेट मी टेल यू कि बैक पेन के कॉजेस क्या क्या हो सकते हैं. वेल, अगर फर्स्ट कॉज की बात करूँ देन इट कैन बी रिलेटेड टू द पोस्चर, स्टैंडिंग, सिटिंग, एनी काइंड ऑफ अ पोस्चर. ओके, वेल, लॉन्ग सिटिंग पोजिशन इन द फ्रंट ऑफ computer or in a desk or while driving without taking break, that can be also the cause of tension or sprain in the back. Well, अगर conditions की बात करूँ मैं तो there are three types of condition that can be acute, subacute and chronic. Acute conditions वो हैं जो कि day 10 to 1 month vary करते हैं, and subacute condition is 1 month to 3 month, and chronic condition is more than 6 months or over a year. Well, if a person suffers from back pain on a regular basis and it doesn't go away with the exercises or home management treatments or care, then he or she should suggest visit a doctor like orthopedic, neurologist, or it can be a physical therapist also. So now for home management, you can take ice pack and also cold pack. If there is swelling, take ice pack for 15 to 20 minutes twice a day, and if there is no swelling, you can use hot pack. And if there is no swelling, you can also perform hot oil massages with some analgesics like Poilini or Move. That can be fine, and do not have a painkiller until the pain intensity is severe and you're not able to bear it. Third thing is that you can use belt, okay, in for the support of your back while sitting or lying. You can use the belt. It can be available in the market or you can buy it online also. Fourth thing is that whenever you use hot pack or cold pack, don't use directly over your skin. Do place some towel or cover it with a cloth, and then accommodation I would suggest that do not eat anything which is allergic to your body, because that will increase the pain intensity and also the swelling if there is any kind of swelling nearby the area. Okay, and third thing is that do have more of minerals and vitamins like vitamin C, calcium, D, which are very important for our bone and muscles. Have protein in your diet to strengthen your muscles and tissues, and also while performing the exercises have full body expiration and inspiration. Exercises can strengthen your core muscles of back and also prevent injury, increase flexibility and provide strength and stability to our. Here are some simple stretching exercises which you can perform at home and relieve your pain intensity. And just in case if the pain intensity increases while performing the exercises, do not perform. At the time of sitting, you can have a stretch. If you're sitting for more than 15 to half an hour or 1 hour, then at that time you can have a simple stretch of your back core muscles so that the tension and the spasm from the back releases. This you can do on a normal basis also. It doesn't require कि आपको back pain है तभी आप stretching exercises करेंगे या आप long sitting posture को avoid करेंगे. Well, from start only you should maintain and be conscious about your back spasm and relieve it so that in longer term it don't create a problem or a major issue on your back. Okay, so first thing is that perform the stretching exercises like this. Okay, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and then release it. Again this side, hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and release it. Okay, as according to your comfort, don't stretch the muscles more than your like range of motion, more than your capacity. Don't stretch the muscle more, otherwise it will again tear some muscle or create more spasm at the area. Okay, second thing is that cushion stretch. Okay, you can use this type of cushion for the simple cushion stretch. Okay, this will help in the curvature of the spine. Comes the breathing exercises. In that case, we will now the cat and cow position, so that you can feel it, the tension, and don't stretch is more than what you feel. Child pose stretch. Okay, in that. Exercises knee to chest. In that pose, we'll press the knee to the chest for 5 to hold it for 5 to 6 seconds, and then we exhale it. Then the next leg, do it for 5 to 6 seconds, and then exhale it. Then both the legs, 5 to 6 seconds. At the end of the video, I would like to say that if the pain persists more than 2 to 3 months and it is radiating pain, like अगर आपके हाथ में, legs में या आपको numbness feel हो रही है, tingling फील हो रही है, या नाइट के कंडीशन में आपकी पेन की इंटेंसिटी इंक्रीज हो जा रही है, तो इन दैट कंडीशन डू विजिट द डॉक्टर फॉर द प्रॉपर एग्जामिनेशन एंड स्कैन्स. ओके, दे विल सजेस्ट यू बेटर, though you can perform these exercises, but also visit the doctor for evaluation of other conditions. Okay, so thank you for watching my video, and do like and subscribe and also share. And अगर आपको कोई भी मेडिकल टर्म समझ में नहीं आती है, then you can ask me at the comment section, and thank you.